Guys, it's Nikki and welcome back to my channel. And I was going through pictures of like Aaliyah because I was like, I really want to do like a 90s makeup look, but I wanted to make sure that I knew kind of what it looked like. And I came across this picture of her, if I could find it, and I was like, wow. This wasn't the only one, but this is like the one that I could find because I looked it up on my computer and then I couldn't find it. I don't know why. Kind of took inspiration from that. It's not the exact same thing, but like just like the vibe and stuff like that. Like, I don't know, I was really interested in like 90s makeup and I wanted to try it, and I like the way it came out. I really do. So if you guys want to see how I achieved this look, then please keep watching. So I started off with my brows done because I don't know, I didn't really feel like doing them on camera, and I felt like it would be better for this look because I want to do my eyeshadow first. So that's what we're about to do. I'm going to take the Moraine Tarte palette, and we're just going to start off by going into Mama Warren, and that's going to be my crease shade. That's like the perfect shade, I guess, that I was looking for. Just going in repeatedly with that color. I'm going to take a little bit of contour just to make it a little more deep, just a little bit. Then I'm going to take Adele Angels, which is like this nude shade. I'm going to take that on my finger, and that's going to basically go on my lid. I really feel like I do this makeup look every single day. What the heck? So the eyeshadow is pretty much done. It's simple, just, you know, literally the same look I do all the time. What I'm going to do next is I'm going to take this ColourPop liquid liner. It's a numero uno. It's black. And basically, so I'm kind of following a picture that I saw of Aaliyah. She had liner on her lid, but it didn't seem to wing out. So that's just what I'm going to do. And then I'm also going to probably try to smudge that a little bit with like a black liner to make it like more matte and more intact. I'm actually gonna take a brown and smudge it with it, like a deep brown, to see how that looks, so it'll like lighten it up too. Didn't do much. Okay, now I'm just gonna go in with my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara and apply that to my lashes. I normally don't like my liner like this, but I don't mind it, actually. I'm gonna go put on my foundation. I'm gonna use my Maybelline Matte and Poreless, and then I'm gonna come back. Now my foundation is on, I'm gonna now be going in with concealer. Oh my god, I used it all out. I'm going to be going in with my ColourPop No Filter Concealer in shade Medium 26, and I'm just applying that to the high points of my face. So under my eyes, on my forehead, down the bridge of my nose, my cupid's bow, my chin. The typical places. I'm going to blend that out with my beauty blender. Now I'm going to take my ColourPop No Filter Setting Powder in Banana, and I'm going to use that to set my face. Now I'm going to take this ColourPop bronzer, and I'm going to use that to contour or bronze my face. I'm going to take this big fluffy brush. It doesn't really have anything on it, and I'm just going to kind of wipe away everything in the excess. See, I like this look right now because I feel like it's not too harsh. It's just like kind of subtle. Like, yes, I'm contoured and I'm bronzed, but it's not like, oh my gosh. I like that a lot. I'm gonna mix two blushes today. So the first blush I'm gonna mix is the Bretman Rock X ColourPop Super Shock Cheek in Oozy Blushing, and then this blush in the Adeline Moraine X Tarte palette. It's called I Feel Beautiful. Ooh, I like that. It's a lot of blush, but I like it. Wait, I might start doing this because I feel like I normally just put it right here, but there's so many ways you could do it, and I like that. Now I'm gonna add I Feel Beautiful, which is lighter, make it probably more subtle. I know this is a lot of blush and y'all are probably like, what the heck, but I like the way it looks dragged up and everything. Kind of set my face a little bit with MAC Fix Plus. Now we're gonna move on to highlight. So I kind of want my face to be more matte, but I want a highlight that looks like a natural highlight from within. So for that, I want to try to use the Artist Couture X Jackie Aina Le Peach bronzer highlighter. Just like, I feel like that looks like the perfect amount of like, just, yeah, I'm glowing a little bit. I'm gonna go in a second time. Where I really want it to be seen is my nose. I really want my nose to be the most highlighted. So this is the skin. I really like the way it looks, just very up, I feel like. I'm gonna spray some more MAC Fix Plus. I feel rich as hell using this. I ain't gonna lie, I feel rich. I'm like, yeah, I'm gonna spray my MAC Fix Plus. You know what? Let me stop. I'm gonna move on to lips. I feel like in the 90s what was really like the thing was the dark liner was like the nude inside, but like it being a gloss, and I really want to try to achieve that look as best as I can. So for lip liner, I'm gonna go in with ColourPop Pitch. I don't think ColourPop has this one anymore, but they have BFF3 and BFF4, which are similar deep tones to this, if I'm not mistaken. So that could kind of be like a dupe, even though they're like the same price, same company. But yeah, so I'm gonna use Pitch to outline my lips. So for the center of my lips, I'm gonna go in with ColourPop Chi. I kind of use this combo a lot, but I'm gonna try to do it a little differently to where the liner is still very much seen. In the middle of those two, I'm gonna go in with Aquarius 2. I like adding like a pink tone. So, you know, you could really leave it matte, but see, but I want to go in with a gloss. That's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna take the NYX Cosmetics in Madeline, and I'm gonna put that all over. I'm gonna finish off my eyes. So I think I want to add a black liner to my waterline, so that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, so I added the black to my waterline. I also added a little brown underneath to make it less harsh, but I really like it. I really like the way this look came out. It's definitely a little different from what I normally do. I'm normally like dripping highlight and my blush is just here, but I feel like my face looks more like up with this look, and I really like that. So I think I'm gonna try to incorporate what I've done today into like my everyday routine. And also, I don't mind the just liner without the wing. I was like, I don't mind the liner without the wing though. Lipstick, I'm used to. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. Into the verse of the day. Today's verse of the day is going to be from 1 Peter chapter 5 verse 7, and it says, "Give all your worries and cares to God, for he cares about you." Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like this video, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel, and join the fam. Join the fam bam, you know. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye. Addicted to you, girl, you got me.